Description: Viral Colorditioner Color Depositing Conditioner with Bondfix Bond Rebuilder Condition plus Create Vivid Color plus Maintain plus Refresh. Full intensity on pre-lightened hair. Less intensity on darker hair. Deep conditioning for daily use. Benefits: Condition plus color plus repair. Intense vibrant color depositing conditioner. Moisturize, strengthen hair. Plant-based. Suggested use: Apply to wet hair for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse. Repeat for more color intensity. Pair with Celeb Luxury Colorditioner. Easy in the shower. Use daily to condition hair and deposit color in a quick 2 to 5 minute condition. Use as a mask for 20 minutes. Reapply. Repeat condition or use with Purple Colorwash to intensify color. Refresh, maintain. Use in place of your regular conditioner to keep color looking fresh at home between salon visits. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. My hairdresser didn't do a great job leaving the purple color in long enough, and after just one cold wash it was so pink instead of purple. Now that I use this, my hair is always purple and beautiful. I love this. Get the shampoo and conditioner. I do this once or every other week. You're able to leave the conditioner on for 20 minutes to really let it do its magic.